before I was able to save Meowie, Makima caught me and thwarted my plans. Meowie may already be dead, but still, I can't give up. I hate humans with all that I am. And it's not because I have a personal grievance. Despising mankind is almost like a demonic instinct.
That thought should make working with some lying chick easier, but nah.
Should that transpire, pawn me. Alas, the cat becomes a fluffy shield. Of Meowie's cat number, so that's no issue. My concern is that only you can fight it. If it permits me to retrieve that which I have lost, I will even stoop so low as to ally with mortals. I doubt you'd understand such sentiment for the likes of a feel. Your words suggest Pochita is dead. Death is the absence of life. Nothing lives in your heart, so spare me. Your instincts are quite sharp.
Ever. Knowing that devil had Meowie.
Earlier you said you'd never pet Pochita again. I've always killed everything that met my gaze. Meowie. Never was a species more foolish than yours. Stingy.